This is a very special unboxing for a couple reasons. One, I starved Sheba. She hasn't been fed yet. Now, I did feed her earlier this morning, but it is now like 10 o'clock and she's hungry. I said, what better time than to make a video? And she's attentive and all lovey-dovey because she wants something. Okay, so my friend Gavin over at Dynamic Inertia sent me some fidgets to just check out and accidentally lose and keep. No, return safely. Okay. She thinks this is food for sure. I feel like she hasn't been very attentive recently, so I'm trying to up her game. Sheba, where the fuck you going? Damn it. I have another cat here, Dolly. Sheba is off foraging. Dolly. Hi, baby. I always got to put a blanket out so that maybe a cat will come and, you know, just make themselves at home. Okay. Let's see what we got here. He said he sent me 4 things. One of the things is a scepter. What? Okay, so they have a pouch that says Dynamic Inertia. That's badass. Oh my God, I recognize this fucking thing. This is where I sent him the brick. If he sends me the brick back to review, I will die. And then, ooh, a top B. Okay, let's look at the top B. Now, who knows what's actually in these things? Ooh, very nicely wrapped. Very nicely wrapped, Gavin. Ooh, there's 2 things in here. Oh, God, yes. Thank you for letting me look at this. Okay, so this, the cats are fighting. Sheba, can you come over here? Come here. Come here. We want to see you. Sit down. Oh man, she hangry. Sheba, look at this. Okay, so this is a billet spin coin. So this is the convex design, which means that it's curved on the bottom. Dude! Oh my God. And then he made a handmade mochame coin for it. Mochame? Mochame? Look at that. It's got the spring inside of it. I'm going to turn the camera around, don't worry. But this is the zirconium one. Man, it feels nice. Whew. So you can flip the coin out and then kind of play with it, put it back in. And also some of them spin like tops. This thing's awesome. Oh, okay, so here's the brass top B. Top C. I don't fucking know the names. Ooh, look at the patina. Oh, yeah. They're fighting over me. Stop! This is so nice, dude. I love it. It's got a perfect worry stone feel to it. I might have to put them away. Wow. Very impressed. I really like both of these. This one is really nice. Sheba is growling at me. Stop! I'm gonna have to put them away. Look at this thing. Oh man. It's been touched by Gavin and loved by him. That's what makes it all better. I love it. I might have to ask him for this. Okay. So So, there's two. Sheba is still growling at me. Should we open this? Look at how nice he wraps this stuff up. Oh, he sent me the Nook. Now, what the fuck is the point of these? Wow, this thing's heavy as shit. Look at it. Bro, you can really kill somebody with this thing. So what, you go like this, and then you just like plunge them? Is that what a Nook is? Just like, is that what you do? Is that the point of it? It's cool as hell though. Damn, this thing is nice. Wow. But what's the point of a Nook? But don't worry, I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can have a closer look. Oh, let's see what else we have. I wanted to see this one. This is called the Maze Slider. What? There's motherfucking 2 different finishes on it? That's like, it looks, wow, look at it. It's like purple and silver. And then we have black and like a copper. Is that supposed to be like that? Holy shit. Wow. Pause. Yeah, this is the pause stuff. Wow. Look at the sliding mechanism of it. Oh shit. All right, I'll say that looks factor and feel factor feels awesome. But I don't know if the magnets are not strong enough. It's not the greatest to actually use, but it's cool as hell though. Holy shit. All right, zipper bag, zipper bag. Sheba, you're supposed to be unboxing with me. She's licking her nether regions. Hey, hey, hey. Can't get good help these days. Oh man, this is a nice pouch. Nothing in this one. Okay, he said that he was gonna send me a scepter. What? This is an earlier design and he made this. Oh my God, it's heavy. Okay, so it's got Damascus. I can see that right there. I don't know what the rest of it is. Tungsten? So, wow. Bro. It just spins for fucking ever. Oh my God. Holy shit. Can you put it and spin it like that? No. It's like it's got a little top thing there. Does it unscrew or something? I don't want to break his shit. Why has it got a top there if it's not meant to spin on it? Huh? Tell me. This thing's nice. Wow. God, you can kill somebody with this shit. All right. Let me turn it around, even though Sheba was not much help. Ow, bitch. Sheba. I guess if she's too hungry, she's not much help at all. She just sits there and is stewing in her hangriness. I never get tired of messing with her. She's so mad at me. She didn't like that. She didn't like it. All right, let me flip the camera around. Bros, look how beautiful. Okay, let's do it in order. So I think the first thing I looked at was this bad boy. Wow. So like I said, this is a billet spin gambit coin with a mokame coin that he made. He made this coin, but you can buy all different coins. You can see it's got that ring. That's what holds it in. And this is the convex design, so it doesn't sit perfectly straight on the desk there. So you put that in there, and then you spin it around, and you can flip it up, and then rotate it around, and flip it back. It's really smooth. It's beautiful, isn't it? Gosh. Okay. So then here is the top C in brass. Look at that. It's so smooth. It really is like a Ori stone. I'm gonna have to do a video before I return this to him because I have that spark comparing the two. It's beautiful, gosh. It's just so smooth and just nice. I love it. You know, I found that the simplest ones are the best. Just great. Okay, so then I think I looked at the Nook. Okay, so this is from Lottie. So it says MTAG 2099, which I know the 2099 is like their part of their brand, and they're the devil skeleton thing. There we go, Lottie 2099. I have another, just so you know, the other cat that's crying, it's my old cat. He is hungry. So I guess the Nook fits right in between. But what are you supposed to do with the Nook? Like, really, are you supposed to punch somebody? Fits nice though. But man, it's beautiful. Whew. Gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm guessing that that's zirconium and titanium. Okay, so this is the pause slider. This is the maze slider. On the one side, it's the copper. And then on the other side, it looks like flame titanium. God, it's beautiful. And then here's the inside. Gosh, that's beautiful. Looks like it's really been well loved too. So the weird thing about this is that the track that it goes on, I think it creates too much friction. You see what I'm saying? It's hard to push. Oh man, it's hard to get a grip on it, and then it goes too high and it's heavy, and the magnets are just not very strong. So it doesn't work very well, but it is gorgeous. Man, it's so beautiful. Whew. And then the other one was the scepter. So he made this, and I know that he said this was Damascus. I think there's tungsten in here too, maybe. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is Damasteel. Wow, you can feel the coarseness of that. True Damasteel, I think, is metal that's like layered upon itself. And then, so this is a scepter. So it just, I don't know if you could tell, but it's spinning here. Can you tell it's spinning? This top part is the spinning part. You can hear it? There's a bearing in there. I don't know how he does it. Is it fully enclosed? Can you take the bearing off? I don't think you can. It definitely sounds like it type C bearing, a high spin, fast spin, and then also high feedback. Stop, dude. I'm gonna have to show you what the hell my dogs are doing. Stop. And also, what is this here? That's like a top, but not really. And this was the cool ass pouch he sent with. Look at all the padding in there. It's like a shoe. So what do you guys think, huh? Huh? Dude, I gotta show you what this dog and cat are doing over there. The cat is on the dog crate, and he's fucking with him. Oh my god, dude. Fidget cat. What do you think? Huh? Oh, they ran away. All right, well, anyways. Thank you, Gavin. These things are awesome.